Right now, these people are fighting. Fight, you!
Oh.
Fight her!
Might have a nice little mark on his forehead.
Here's some fighting exhaust.
Stains on you.
Come on, fight! Fight with Keegan.
No kicking, no kicking. No kicking. Oh, yeah.
Why don't you do karate?
He's trying to cradle you right there from the get-go. Get your hand, just drop down, get your cradle.
Now let's look at some more nature, for example. Now we're going to walk many miles. Look at this nature. Isn't it beautiful? Well, it looks like it's following you when you're driving. It looks like the sun is following you when you're driving, but when you're out, it looks like it's holding still. And it really is holding still. Now, look at this. Look at that size. It is huge. Now, look at these trees. This one's baby, kid, teenager, growing up. I can't get too close. I'm not taking a picture, I'm doing a video. Look at these stones. Lift one up, 30 under. Now we're gonna move the stone. Now let's get to this pyramid stone. Now let's get a little unseen of a lake. Okay, let's run. I'm already kind of dizzy, but this is really cool. Okay, there's a bird. We're gonna look at this lake. Whoa, look at that. Look at all that water. This is freedom. Animals do have freedom so they can live. If they didn't have freedom, they wouldn't be able to live. So that's why they have lakes to drink out of so they could be alive from drinking. And that's the big part. Because look at all that water. Every animal in the world could drink out of that. Look at this. Look at that. That has to be a deer track. Must be one. I don't see any deers. But let's follow them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ew, dog poop. Let's not look at that, for example. Well, I'm going to show you a tree that has caterpillar eggs on the leaves. I kind of picked some of the caterpillar eggs, so I'm going to put them in a box, and then in my basement, and then they're going to hatch, and then I'd have baby caterpillars. But there is something about the caterpillar. You have to feed them leaves, and someday they're going to turn into butterflies. And awesome. This is the tree. If you take this branch right down, look at these leaves. Look, that is a caterpillar egg right there.